guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are actually going to be doing another monthly subscription box, doing a little unboxing, seeing what's inside, a little review, just checking out what the box has to offer. So the box we're going to be checking out today is the Lookfantastic September Beauty Box, and this one, as you guys can see, is the birthday box, just because they've been doing it for 6 years now, so the beauty box turned 6. I'm just going to go a little bit into detail about the box first, and then we will go ahead and get into the fun part, which is the unboxing. So basically the box is from the brand Lookfantastic, and they are just a huge online beauty boutique based from the UK. So they sell so many different products, so many different brands. I really recommend checking out the website. They have so much to offer. And they also do advent calendars, which I've already done a video on. I'm going to link a card right up here. That was worth over 640 bucks. It was really awesome. I really enjoyed all the products, so highly recommend going and checking out the video. Like I said, there will be a card up here somewhere. But anyways, back to this box here. So this costs $18 Canadian, but everything inside is worth over $95, which is absolutely insane. Cannot wait to see what's inside this. And also all the products in here are going to be very beauty based, so probably cosmetics, skincare, hair care, all of that. And something super exciting is that Lookfantastic is offering you guys a really great deal. So the first 20 people that purchase through my link, which I'm going to have down in the description box there, are going to get the box absolutely free from a 3-month subscription. And also, don't worry, the rest of you guys are going to get something as well. So the rest of you guys that purchase from my link down below are going to get the box for 50% off from a 3-month subscription. So I think that's really awesome. So yeah, if you guys are interested or you do end up liking any of the products that I show in the box today, I'm going to have the link down there below and you guys can get a really good deal. But anyways, I think I've rambled on enough. Let's get into the video. All right, let's go ahead and open it up here. So that's what I see when I first open it up. So just a little kind of book or like a magazine thing. So this little book here just actually shows you all the products inside and their pricing and how to use them and whatnot. So I'm not going to look at that yet because I want to have a little bit of a surprise here. Let's go and open it up out of this tissue paper. The tissue paper does not want to stay behind there, but that is the first little look inside the box there. We're going to have to grab this first thing on top here because I know what it is and I'm very excited. So this is from the brand Brushworks, and this is actually a jade roller. I love these things. I have something sort of like this, but it's actually something you put in the freezer first and then you go over your skin, but this is just the regular jade roller. So that's what it looks like right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and read the little blurb on the back of the box here. So it says, jade roller. Soothing jade is cool to the touch, reducing the appearance of pores, wrinkles, and puffiness. Enhance your skincare routine. My dog just sneezed and it scared me so bad. Okay, enhance your skincare routine. Do you have a sneezing problem today, Tang? He usually sneezes when he wants my attention. Can I help you with something, sir? Enhance your skincare routine by rolling product into the skin for even application of moisturizers and serums. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, you guys. I've actually been really into the color green lately, so kind of obsessed with this already, but this is what the actual item looks like right there. So if you guys are still wondering, like, what is that? What exactly does it do? It is a skincare tool. So basically you can use this on its own or with a serum or a moisturizer or any kind of like skincare product like that. I would demonstrate it on my face, but I have makeup on right now, so I'm just going to do it on my arm. So you just take the product and you roll like that. And then they have a smaller side like this, which is meant to be for right underneath your eyes. And you just do the same thing. And you might be like, what is the point of that? Does it really do anything? Honestly, these are one of my favorite tools. They are so soothing on the skin. They're really nice and cool too. So I really like these at nighttime. I'll take it right underneath my eye there, and it's just, it feels so nice on the skin. I really recommend these. Absolutely love them. Like I said, I do have one similar to this that you put in the freezer, but this one's nice because it doesn't require anything like that. I'm sure you could put it in the fridge if you wanted to. And it's also just so pretty. Like, it's so aesthetically pleasing. I'm definitely gonna put this on my makeup desk and display it because it's so freaking cute. All right, so that was the first product. I'm already obsessed. Let's go in and reach for something else. I see a Luxie brush here. If you guys know, I love Luxie brushes. I think they're honestly amazing. And it's funny because I actually got another Luxie brush in my advent calendar, so super excited. Now I have more to add to the collection. So this is the Luxie 209 large shader brush. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the background, but there's this bird outside and it won't stop chirping. I think it just stopped. Okay. I honestly just love the design of Luxie brushes. I think they're so pretty, and they're also really great quality as well. I love adding new brushes to my collection. I can always use a new eyeshadow brush, so I'm really excited to use this. Love it. And I mean, it's just, again, so aesthetically pleasing. Okay, next we have a Illamasqua product, and this is their Beyond Powder Highlighter. So let's go ahead and open it up. This looks so pretty, you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like right there. Super, super pretty. And that is what the shade looks like there. Okay, I need to swatch this and see what it looks like. Ooh, that looks so nice, you guys. So hopefully you guys can see the swatch there. It actually looks like such a stunning shade. Illamasqua is supposed to be a really good brand. I think they're pretty pricey as well. And I just love highlighter. Highlighter is probably one of my favorite makeup products. All right, moving on, we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is the anti-wrinkle day cream. So that is what it looks like right there. You can never go wrong with a good anti-aging cream. A lot of people think you can really only use them at like a certain age, or you know, when you start to see your wrinkles, but it's actually better to use them earlier, like in your 20s, start to use them then. Okay, I just accidentally squirted out a lot of product. I did not mean to do that, but that is what the product looks like there. It's just a kind of like white cream. I'm just gonna put it on my hand and see what it feels like. It feels really nice, actually. It's very, very soft, and it has a really nice scent to it. It almost reminds me of like grapefruit. It smells really nice. I know I keep mentioning the advent calendar, but I believe I got the Elemis Pro Collagen anti-wrinkle night cream in that one, and now I have the day cream, so that's pretty awesome. I actually looked up this brand Elemis, and they are a really, really pricey brand. I might keep this, I might gift it to somebody, I'm not sure yet. I think one of the best things about these boxes as well, something that I really like, is that if I know I won't really use a product, or I don't really like it, or it's just not my thing, I just always end up gifting it to somebody else, so that's really awesome, which is probably what I'll end up doing with this guy here. All right, next we have what looks to be a little pop socket, and this is just their Lookfantastic Beauty Box brand. So that is what it looks like right there. Yeah, it is one of those little pop socket things that you just stick on your phone. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys here. I don't really know how to use these. I tried to use these one time before. I stuck it on my phone and I ended up breaking the pop socket. So yeah, hopefully I don't break this one because it is actually really, really cute. I'm not gonna stick it on my phone right now because I do have this phone case on, but basically what I believe you do is you peel that backing right there, and then you stick it on your phone and it just goes like that. It actually looks really pretty with this phone case. I think they said they had kind of like a special edition product in this box, and I believe this is probably it right there. All right, next we have a Diego Dal Palma lip pencil, and it's in the shade, don't think it has a shade name, but it's in the number 80. So that is what it looks like right there. Judging by this color at the end, I think I'm gonna love this. It's definitely up my alley. Just gonna go ahead and swatch this really quick. It actually looks so pretty, you guys. Hopefully my camera focused there, but that looks like such a pretty like pinky nude color. I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot. I absolutely love lip pencils. That's pretty much all I wear. I'll do like a lip pencil and then I'll do a gloss, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this a ton. Okay, and this is actually the last product right here, and this is the Espa Natural Beauty Inner Calm Pink Hair and Scalp Mud Intensive Treatment Mask to condition and nourish hair and scalp. That actually sounds really interesting. So it says an intensive mineral-rich treatment mask that deeply conditions to leave hair soft and smooth and the scalp nourished. Vitamin C rich watercress and red clay soothe and nourish the scalp, while apricot kernel oil conditions to help promote stronger, healthy looking, manageable hair. Guys, I always have a hard time reading on camera. I don't know why, but it says suitable for all hair types, especially dry or weak hair. Definitely mine for sure. For best results, number 1, massage into scalp and through damp hair. 2, leave on for 20 minutes or overnight if preferred and rinse. And then it says 3, to enhance the benefits, follow with purifying shampoo and nourishing conditioner. This honestly seems really cool. I'm excited to use this. And the color, you guys, look at that color. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I do have quite damaged hair, unfortunately, so I do love receiving any kind of hair products, but I'm very excited to give this a go. Like I said, I've never tried anything like it, so we'll have to see about this one. And you know what, you guys, I almost forgot to sniff it, which is not like me. Let's go ahead. It's very like minty, like kind of eucalyptus too I'm getting, but it smells really good. All right, and as you guys can see, that is everything in the box. We just have this little pink confetti paper left, but that is everything in the September beauty box. I gotta say, I'm actually really impressed with the range of these products. I like how it's not just all, you know, makeup or all skincare, all hair care. I do like how you get a little bit of everything in there. And like I was saying earlier, with this book here, it does say all the products you can get. And actually with this Illamasqua highlighter there, you could either get the Illamasqua one or the the Mary Luminizers. Also, like I was saying, Lookfantastic is a UK-based brand, so their prices are in pounds, I believe, but it says right here that the LMS Pro Collagen Cream is actually worth 30 pounds. So I mean, that product alone is worth more than what you'd be paying for the box. That's actually, I believe, around $50 Canadian. But yeah, overall, I gotta say, I really did enjoy the box. I really like the products. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of them. And I also really like the way that the box looks. That might sound a little weird, but I am a sucker for some cute packaging, so I'm always sold on packaging. And I think the cost of the box is actually pretty reasonable as well. $18, not bad at all. You're getting 6 products, and like I said, one product here alone is worth way more than what you're paying for the box. But anyways, that is going to be the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe, because I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to go check me out on Instagram. It's always linked down below. And also, don't forget to go check out Lookfantastic. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!